Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Guys, we are in the spring of things, as you can say, and hence why I'm wearing my grow organic hat today. It's a little bit overcast and cloudy, but a very nice sweet 60 for the temperature. So we're gonna go take a ride, guys. I will give you a small explanation about what has transpired and what is due to transpire. So anyways, guys, right here, as you guys can see, we have got the trusty Brompton. Of course, as you know, the last time we saw the trusty Brompton was I want to say last year, a year ago in March, on the old Charleston or Jacksonville to Charleston ride. So I've kind of gave it a little bit of tune-up. Needed a little adjustment on a couple of components there, but all is good, guys. So all is good. And yeah, I just wanted to also again thank you guys so very much. Oh, and one of the big additions to the trusty Brompton is that we've added a bell. I've never had a bell on this thing. There we go. That's more like it. Anyways, guys, I'm experiencing. I was going to take the Hero 12. In any case, so without further ado, we're going to take a little ride. And I'm sort of got this little mount. There we go. I got this little mount on, basically a telephone mount on my handlebars on the old Brompton. So hopefully that will hold my camera steady. So yeah, guys, so yeah, thank you very much for all the views. I think we got like not so many new subscribers, but maybe 10 12 new subscribers. So thank you guys for joining. Want to give a big shout out to I believe Fat Boy Slim. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing your YouTube handle, but anyway, he's my new friend Mike, who has been conversing with me here and there. So thank you for the support, Mike, and I want to give you a big shout out for that. And what else? So yeah, we got a probably another 40,000-50,000 views off you guys. Whoop, camera trouble, guys, sorry. So the old let's see if we do that. Yeah, there's some people walking and staring at me like, what's this fella doing? Why is he not wearing his helmet where it's supposed to be on top of his head? How you guys doing? Well, I think I gotta stop and readjust the clip here. Well, anyways, guys, I wanted to really thank you for all the views, and yeah, the new members. I just posted the last video from my 356 mile 6-day 5-night ride from St. Louis to Chicago along the old Route 66. Now there was a couple of videos after that. I went into the old station bar there, and I had a few drink with a local guy who also subscribed to my channel thereafter. So thank you very much. So I'm gonna do my first attempt, guys, at connecting and editing my videos. So if there's anyone out there, oh boy, and there it goes. Here, let me pull over here. So yeah, if there's anyone out there that could point me in the right direction, maybe there's a video I should watch, or there's a program I could rent at my local public library, perhaps, or perhaps I can watch a video on how to mount your camera properly. So anyways, guys, here, yeah, that may work, that may not work. Here we go. Let me get a little grip here, that's all. But anyways, so if there is anyone out there a wee bit savvy, on the savvy side, could maybe point me in the right direction. There are some editing tools on YouTube itself, like right when you post a video, but what I'm trying to do is, due to another technical issue, my helmet cam only records in like segments of like 8 minute 52-second segments for some reason, and I know some folks have told me, so thank you for all the comments, guys, that it may be due to the size of my memory card. So I went from like, well, I basically maxed out my size of the memory card, and I went all the way to 1.5 terabyte. So I don't know if at the moment there is a larger memory card than a 1.5 terabyte, and still I've tried messing with the settings on the camera itself, meaning like the pixel settings. I mean, I've pretty much messed with any settings that I have, and none of them seem to be the setting that changes the length of your video, or you know. So basically every time I record, it just cuts it off at 8:52. That's why you guys see a lot of my videos are 8:52. Hasta la ciao ciao.